me! In front of me is Motorola Moto G22, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung Sound Recorder. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose Continue, tap on while using the app, and choose Yes, I agree. After that, tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can add a bookmark by choosing this left one, type in wherever you wish to, or not at all, and choosing OK. If you wish to end it and save it though, tap on the check mark. Now you need to click Save at the top right corner and hold your recording. After that, tap on this little icon in the middle of heart and bean and rename your recording however you want to. When you're ready, save it by choosing OK. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it again, tap on this bean icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!